Alright, good morning. Back at it for another little bit of work here on Pro Gymnast. I'm just going to kind of jump right in today, try and get a few things done. I was reprioritizing my to-do list here, and here's kind of like the things I absolutely have to do before release, and then here's the prioritized list of other things I could do. And one of the things I'm really short on is arena levels, and I also haven't really looked at the results for arena levels in a while. So I think I'm going to do that this morning. So if we go in here, let's go look at the person who has access to everything. Okay, the first environment has this arena, which is just a bunch of parallel bars. You can sort of chain tricks together. So not the most exciting, but you're not constantly falling, which is nice. Good Gammy, what's up, man? How's it going? Thanks for dropping by yesterday. It's going pretty well. A little tired, if I'm honest. But I want to get in another solid hour or so this morning. Gonna work on these arena levels a little bit. They're kind of the most under-loved section of the game. Okay, so I'm gonna run out of time. Right, yes, I need to fix this layout. Namely, I need to decide what I'm doing with the... I guess what I should do is... I could move the... Like, I have this list here of like... Oh, I don't even have fake names. Forgot about that. Fake other player names. To think about that a little bit. But how do I want to adjust this layout? And so I need a variant of this animation that takes it somewhere else, probably to the upper right here, I would guess. And then I could put the medals along the top here. Slide this leaderboard thing down a little bit, perhaps. Yeah, so this is going to be today's task, because I got to get this looking okay. Let's see. The other thing I could do too is, or should do, is it shouldn't say level complete when you end an arena level. It should say something more. Yeah, yeah, Big Gamey. I don't know. I leveled up in some fashion or another on Twitch, and I can set VIPs now or something. So there you go. I'm actually pretty close to whatever affiliate is, which I think that means like cool junk happens. I'm not sure. I've met 3 of the 4 requirements, so they do a good job of giving you lots of progress bars on Twitch to want to like fill up. All right, let's go find where it says level complete. There we go. We're gonna add in 2 more of these. This is why it's gonna be scary to send this game off to get localized, is that I keep finding stupid junk I need to add. This is gonna be arena time up. And then there will also be the case where it's like game complete arena KO. What we call that? You're officially finishing the level. It's because you got knocked out. Knockout finish. That sounds really positive. Early retire. Let's call it that. Okay. So let's toss in a Japanese translation for these real quick. Okay. All right. So let's go figure out how to. We're going to need to communicate to the results screen that things have. What is it? Level complete menu. Although actually, it's first off, it's the level complete sequence, isn't it? That shows the like wavy text and stuff. I think. Pretty sure. Yeah. So okay, where does this come from? Right here. And this comes from here, which is level 1, normal win equals true. So I wonder if we need more information here. We probably do. So let's So we'll let you pass in type. This gets called from a lot of places. Okay, happens there, happens there. Okay, those are all places where we know what's going on. This one we do too. This one we do too. Yup, yup. Okay. Okay. I'm liking this. So we're gonna say, yeah, where's the case where someone calls, oh, whatever. Oh, false right there. Interesting. Okay, so let's go here. And actually, I don't think we need this normal win thing. What we really want now is we just want to pass in this level win type. Okay. And then what we can say is, do we need to capture the score of the final trick? That would be only in the case of win type does not equal early retire. Okay. And then here would be same thing. Win type does not equal level win type dot early retire. Not that. Jesus. That. Okay. Then what we can also do is we can pass that along into this function. So start level complete. Where is that? Okay, this is going to take in a level win type so that this sequence here can take that in. And then right. We're also, do we need this information? We do need to know if it's arena or not here in the level complete menu. So we can add, now this guy gets called, right. Okay, so now let's go to the level complete sequence. This is kind of gross, but we'll let it be. So we'll have a private manager game dot level win type win type. Which should default to challenge. Then when you call start sequence, we're gonna give it a manager game dot level win type. And we're gonna store that. Okay. We're gonna do the right text here. So we already have a reference to the text, right? We do. So let's just do a quick switch statement. Switch the win type. Case. Arena early retire. You are, what was it? Game complete arena KO. Okay. What if you are arena time? Then you are game complete arena time up. Okay. And then otherwise you are game complete title, apparently. Okay. Then the on complete, we're going to change this right. Yeah. We're going to change this to be a system.action, which passes a manager game dot level win type. So that down here we can invoke with the win type. Okay, then back here this is gonna get a win type passed along, which is useful because we need to do level complete menu ref. We can say set level, we'll say is arena equals win type does not equal level win type dot challenge. Okay, so then we got to go to the level complete menu and we need a thing called is arena. So that's helpful. So we do private bool is arena. It's false. And then we have a public bool called is arena. And I mean, I'll add a getter, although we don't need it yet. And a setter, which for now just says equals value. In case we need to call a method here or something, because then what we can do is on show. Oh, we already know this right here. Duh. Duh. Never mind. We don't need this part. This part was unnecessary. Go back here. Which means we didn't really need quite as much of that data being sent around, but whatever. Okay, so when do we actually like... Is it the presentation sequence? Probably is. Okay, so right here. If selected level.isArena, then we want to do replay thumbnail animator.set trigger go intro arena, else do the current one. Okay, so then okay, that should be enough. We should have new text now. Let's go back and look at this thing here. We gotta go to the game scene. Okay, and the level complete sequence has some text on it, which right now, oh, is just level complete. Eee. Okay, so let's change these. Level complete, that, okay. Level complete that, okay. So that means then back here, this thing, this should just, these should be level. Ah! This should be level complete, this should be level complete, and this whole thing should just be level complete. Save that. Okay. Let's sort this. Now we get on here to level. There we go. Level complete. Okay. These might actually want to be all caps. I bet they do. See how it looks. Okay. So now what we need to do, first of all, we need to grab our localization changes. Okay. I hope I didn't drag something into a weird spot there. Oh right, we got some compiler errors we gotta fix too. Get the new text. Should be 613 now. Or 612, really? I deleted something else, that's right, yesterday. Okay. Now, all the places that called level 1, right? Here. So on Gymnast KO, this is a level win type of early retire. Here, this is level win type arena time. Okay. We can go like this and say find all references and say here, this should be manager game level win type challenge, which is the normal case. That would also be the case here. That would also be the case here. And here. And here. Yep. And yep. Okay. Save all that. Okay. So now we should be compiling. I need to go make a layout change. So I guess what we'll do is go look at it. Level complete. Here it is. Now, that's the beautiful layout for a normal level. But what about layout for an arena? Okay, so this thing, yeah, it fills up this region here. Doesn't completely fill it up though. We could make these smaller though. So like all this could be like size 28, which means that the whole header thing could be like 42-ish tall. And then these, let's all make sure they are like this. That's interesting. Oh, this is not. Yeah, it's a horizontal layout group. There we go. Okay. And then what we could do is we could go find in the arena case, we have a prefab here somewhere. Yep, here it is. So if we add one of those in there, this is what that looks like. And we could say this thing also needs to be like, let's say 40. So smaller. And then these all need to be smaller. And this guy needs to adjust the height there. Okay. So we could apply all those changes. And we're gonna have 8 of them. So it's gonna look like that. So what we could do is just move this whole thing. Yeah. We're just gonna move the whole thing up a bit here, like this. Actually, yeah, we don't have to go quite that high. Go like this. Okay, cool. Now we can get rid of these. No, let's not do that yet. With these here so I can see stuff, we should fix this layout. It looks a little goofy. Like it's not a proper, you know, 5-pointed pentagon layout. Let's do something real quick. We're going to add a thing called placement helper. It's going to be at the center. Then we're going to add an empty, and we're going to say, yeah, we want them to be, you know, this far away. So then what we should be able to do is we can grab this. Oh, no, we can't do it that way. What we can do is say metal target 0. You're temporarily a child of this. And then just kidding, go back to where you were. Then, what is it, 72 degrees each? Okay. So then this one, we can rotate 72. Yes. Then we can put this one right here and say, just kidding, you need to be at 0, 0. Just kidding, go back. Now we could rotate this another 72. And we say, you go here. Boom, boom. Just kidding, go back. Now you go another 72. Get you to go here. Just kidding, go back. And then finally another 72. And you go to here. The only problem is, I think, the order here is a little funky. Because this means that if you get just one metal, it goes here. If you get two, you see these three. So really this one, I want to be here. But we can fix that by just saying this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and then this one is 3, and this one is 4. Okay. And then we just got to go here and put them in the correct order. Right here. So it's 0. Oh, wait. No. Sorry, here. So this one goes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one's target needs to be 0. This one's target needs to be 1. This one's target needs to be 2. This one's target needs to be 3. And this one's target needs to be 4. Okay. So now those will fly to the slightly better positioned place. Okay. So we can get rid of our placement helper for now. Keep it around in case I need to tweak this. Now, I guess what we need to do now is we need to go find our... Is this it? Yeah. Okay, so here's our intro animations. We're going to copy all these keys, or even... Yeah, we're going to copy all these keys. We're going to create a new clip called... here... Was this where... What did I call the other one? Level complete, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this is going to be level complete replay intro arena. Okay, and then we're going to paste all these keys in. It's almost the same, except that here we're going to drop down farther like this. I don't really know where to put it. Do I put it here? Do I put it here? You know, it would look kind of cool right here. But that will screw up my menu navigation a fair amount. So I'm not in love with putting that here. So I'm going to have to just kind of live with it. I mean, I guess, yeah. So this will be here, and then the metals will be in the upper right there. Or we could put this here and put the metals in the lower left here. Kind of cool. It's also really wide. I don't think I need it this wide. The names are not going to be that long, most likely. Well, we'll go with the center for now. Like that. So then what we gotta do is we gotta copy this keyframe. Paste it there. And then this one... just gotta delete the... or let's go look at it as a curve. Okay. So this... needs to, this part can be gone, and then the Y position can have a little bounce, but it shouldn't have that much. I don't even know if it needs any, actually. Actually, that looks pretty good. Probably a little too smooth. Like, these should be linear. That's a little more of a bounce. Okay. So if that's the case, then we can go here. We can grab this set of keys, because then we're going to need one more, which is level complete replay idle underscore arena. And that just has this in it, essentially. Keeping it in position here. Oh, wait, without all that junk, though. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Okay, so then we got to go here to the animator. Not that one. Come on. Here. And then we need a parameter. So we have a different trigger, which is go intro arena. And you see how this was working before. Right. It seems to animate differently to the photo image. You mean... I mean like that the text isn't scaling? So now we gotta handle a case where oh, you're saying the frame. Okay, let's take a look at it real quick. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I think it's a optical illusion. Hopefully it looks okay when there's actually like replay content in there. Now we have a thing though where, so this is fine. This can be the idle state, I think. Because then what we do is we would go like this. And we would say, do this if, with no exit time, right? Yeah, what is this? This is a 0 transition, right? That's what it should be. And then do this when you get a go intro arena. But after you complete this, go to here. And this is just like at the end of this animation, instantly go to this. Now, I think this is going to break then if I'm testing in the editor. Because we're never making it back to here. So we probably actually need something like this. Yeah, let's try it this way. So we're not going to... How does this work? You go from idle to the intro, and then you go back to the... Right. We're just going to not do this. We're going to say, instead, yeah, we're going to do it like this, I think. We're going to say, any state can take you into here with no transition. This one's going to be the go intro case. And this one is going to be the... Oops. Go intro arena case. Okay. Like that. And then cannot transition to self. That should be fine. Okay, so I think this will work now. And this is a safe enough entry point. Okay. Now I think we had a thing here though. Or if we don't call do intro, maybe this would be better handled by saying, we have a thing called go intro. And then we have a Boolean called is arena. And so then, okay. So then, this would be when you get go intro and is arena is false. And this one would be when you get go intro and is arena is true. Now how do we get to this one? We can do this. Boom. No exit time, no transition. Go from that one to that one if is arena is true. I guess likewise go back if is arena is false. Okay, I think that will work. We'll see. So then what we gotta do is gotta go back here and we actually need to say replay thumbnail animator dot set boolean of is arena to be selected level dot is arena. Then you're just doing this. Okay. Okay. I think that's the majority of it. Do I need to hook up any other references or anything? I don't think so. So we hide this. We turn the game UI back on. See what we broke. Okay, let's play a normal level. Says level complete with a mistranslation thing. I know why that is. And this looks good. Play it again. That time it doesn't say it. That makes sense. Okay. That all looks good. Let's go back to the editor. Let's open up an arena now. Here's one. Okay, this is an arena level. Probably going to be the second arena level, although I think I might add some like parallel bars to the bottom or something. I don't know though. Yeah, I have to think about it. This is going to be a dismal score. Come on, get over there. Nope. Too impatient. Oh, so easy to miss them. What? I got confident and I let go of slow-mo. No! Lucky catch. Okay, so then what do we want to do? Do we want to... I guess we want to let this play out. I should make myself a quick short arena so I can test this more rapidly. Catch it! Catch it! Okay, I'll take it. Alright, now what about climbing back up here? Oh, don't hit your feet, don't hit your feet. That would be a dumb thing to do. There we go. Okay. Wait a minute, there's chalk in this level? I don't think there should be. We don't give away chalk in arena levels, do we? Really good at doing that. Okay, time's up. Hey, I got the good text. Boom. What? Oh, hey, Sympathy, how's it going? Have a good day at work. Thanks for dropping by. Real quick, how did you do? Did you get your upgrade manager working? Soon. All right. Cool. Are you doing a release stream? Yeah, I will. I don't know what to do for it other than just like play the game a whole bunch, but yes. I will definitely do something. End of the month, so I got a few more weeks, but there's a lot of things I gotta do. I gotta make builds, I gotta get them uploaded and approved, I gotta try and get localization in. You broke everything by the end of the night. Nice. That's okay. That was just the, that was the last little hill. Once you get over that hill, it's gonna be awesome. Then you can actually tune your game, which will be like which will be fun because you can have all those numbers in one spot. This morning you fix it in 15 minutes. That's the classic move right there. Okay, why did it? This is an arena. Let's make it short. Okay. Save. So why? Oh, is it just because morning meeting, Sympathy? I know how that goes. Hope your meeting goes well. Sympathy, have you seen BitGamey's game? It's really cool. BitGamey, I don't know if I mentioned this to you, but I saw on Twitter that you posted like a intro sequence video, and it was really cool, and then I ended up watching some of your other videos on the game. It looks really nice. Okay. Oh, goodness. Catch it. There we go. Catch it, catch it. I don't know what that was. Okay, so time's up. Yeah, why are we getting this nonsense? Let's see. Yeah, I thought the game was looking really great. I'm excited to see you finish it. So, is it just this? I mean, we're totally going into the wrong, like, sequence here. So this is probably related to the editor. Let's double check that. So if I go like this, and I exit out like this, and we, oh, plus it didn't have a save or anything, so that's a thing. Let's go like this, and test a different arena. 2 minutes though. Ugh, right? Although I could probably just KO myself. We'll get 2 for 1. We'll get a test of if the KO code works, and we don't have to play the arena for the full 2 minutes just to see if our code works. All I gotta do is get KO'd. That's not gonna do it. That's just gonna be some sweet points. Okay, this could be an opportunity right here. Blah. Oh, that's okay. I can KO myself down here, I think. Huh. Come on, land on your head. Oh, not a stun, KO. There we go. Early retire, boom. That's what we were looking for. Okay. But I don't think that thing went to the right spot. Let's look. We're gonna do this. Okay, game, canvas, level complete, this thing. Animator. Is arena is true. Okay, so I just underestimated the size of those things. So not that I underestimated them, I think it's that I didn't set them right. Let's go look. Where is it? Here. Here. These. Yeah, they're all set to 50. I don't want them to be 50. I want them to be 40. See? It would look nice if they were 40. Okay. So that is straightforward. I gotta go back to my prefab. This one. Right here. And tell it that it is only 40 units tall. Okay. When you do a release party, let me know. Yeah, I will. I got to say I'm getting interviewed on a podcast. Ooh! I got to do that recently as well. That was really fun. Yeah, that's awesome. Congrats. You deserve all the attention you can get. You are so fun to watch. You have the best energy when you're making your games. It's awesome. All right. So, live coders. Oh, that's reminding. That's why I was so excited to hopefully get like a Twitch affiliate or whatever, so I can join the live coders team. I'm getting close. I'm getting close. Let's see. What was I gonna fix? I was gonna fix that the level complete sequence text should no longer have a localized text script on it, because the text gets set from code now. We should fix this so when you test a level in the editor, it sets stuff correctly. So, talking with Lucky Number 7. Oh, cool. I'm not familiar with Lucky Number 7. I'll have to look them up. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, don't worry, Sympathy. You're a natural. You'll be awesome on a podcast. Okay, let's see. How does this even work? What happens when you press stuff? when you okay, menu pressed, that's good. Add, remove, add, clean up, the data actions, blah blah blah, new scene, yep, load, yep, save, yep. Where? Ooh, look at all this junk I removed at some point. Where do I actually... Where do we actually do this? We must have a different script. Yeah, we do. We do. What is it? What is it? In the editor. Oh. Probably edit menu. Play pressed. Here we go. Cool. Now what we need to do here though is we need to know mark if this is an arena or not. So how do we know that? When things like okay, here we go. The drop down level type, and then what do we do with this? Okay. Wait a minute. So how does that work on save? Okay. How does this know? The level type. Okay, here we go. So this is getting set. Alright. So we can do this here. We can say play pressed. So we would do selected level dot is arena equals level data dot instance dot level type equals level data. That should mean I can test this in the editor now and get the right results screen. I think. Surprised that that was broken that whole time. Shows you just how little I have worked on the arena level type compared to the others. Okay, so let's load up our this one. Okay, we have it set to 30 seconds. Cool, cool. Play. 30 seconds, nice. Okay. Let's try and cheese out early by hurting ourselves, which is going to involve flailing like that. Early retire. That's cool. Dude. Hey, look at that. I just love how it just says someone else. You. Alright, so we got a few more improvements to make to this. We need fake other player names. Color of player row needs to be fixed. Need to check this. Okay. Alright. That's a good solid hour today. This is all I had time for. So we'll pick this up. Let's see. Next stream is tomorrow evening stream. We'll see. I might actually work on this a little bit tonight. Sympathy, have a good day. Have a good meeting. And also BitGamey, thanks for dropping by. See you guys later. I am done.